So I know that you're dying to find out what I'm doing here in Milan. Well, I'm here in Milan because I love glasses. But it's more than that, actually. I love what the right pair of glasses can do for someone. I've seen the right pair of glasses transform someone's life, change who they are, change the way that they see the world. And that stays with them. That has an effect on them every day. But what makes the right pair of glasses? Well, that's why I've brought you here to Milan with me. Because we're going to be visiting Mido, Europe's largest eyewear exhibition, where hundreds of companies and thousands of people who are all as passionate about glasses as me, or well, maybe nearly as passionate about glasses as me, come together to exhibit the latest and greatest in eyewear, whether that's the most beautiful, extraordinary frame designs or the most innovative, advanced lens technologies to improve your vision. So I'm going to be taking you through at Mido all the people that are involved and all the process that are involved in making the right pair of glasses. And I've brought you along for the journey. So let's go. What makes a great pair of glasses?
Well, I think that everybody would say, quality and everything that's technical about the glasses, but I think there's a lot of passion.
Of course, in my opinion, design is important. It should be something that you like and you love.
Oh, everything.
I like different way. I like the freedom. So when I select my colors, I decide always to match impossible colors together.
I think a great pair of glasses depends on the person who wears it.
It's all about what goes into making actual frames.
For myself as a designer, I like when I can feel the sunglasses, I can feel the frame. I like heavy glasses, heavy frame where I can feel them when I have them in my face.
Because in my mind, in my house, I would like to offer to the people very different shape, colors. They are able to wear something really completely different. And my passion is like that, to offer something really different.
By passion, I mean supporting the right type of craftsmanship. So, for example, in portrait, we work with handcrafters from Italy who know their manufacturing for ages and it should be preserved.
So everybody that works into making a pair of glasses leaves a little bit of themselves in each pair. In the end, it's special. It's something that takes a lot of time and a lot of effort.
So it's my passion. That's it. Very simple.
I like the polishing, I like extra polishing, and for me, for a fashion pair of sunglasses, I prefer flat lenses with anti-reflection coating. The thing that for me is very important for the structure of the sunglasses, the hinge. I prefer the 5-barrel hinge that give a stronger structure to the sunglasses than 3-barrel hinge.
And of course, design, originality, experimentation, and not being fearful. Just try doing something new. So I think that's, is that a good answer?
It's very important to be happy, to be, yes, not to be sad.
To me, it's mostly that the one who wear it feels good with the frame, and that's it. Just feeling good. It's a question of life to feel good.
Perfect.
That was so much fun, and meeting some of my favourite eyewear designers was an incredible experience. Seeing the passion that they have for what they do is really inspiring, actually. And I also selected not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 new brands for the store, which I can't wait to showcase for you on this channel. Anyway, the common theme is that the right pair of glasses is all about how it makes you feel. And I think that's so true. Your glasses are the first thing that people see when they look at you. They become a part of you, they define how you look to the rest of the world. If you have multiple pairs, they can reflect different aspects of your personality or even your mood. But if you have only the one pair, as most people do, then they're an ever-present part of your style. But it's not just about how the world sees you, it's also about how you see the world. And that's why I brought you out to Switzerland, Lugano, to this beautiful view which I discovered, to impress upon you the fact that the right pair of glasses helps you to see life's beauty better than ever before. And to me, that's what glasses are really all about. And you might think that all glasses will do that. If they're made to your prescription, they're going to fix your eyesight, you're going to see the best you can. But the truth is that the lenses in your glasses, whether that's the different technologies that are on offer, the different materials, some of which provide better clarity than others, or even different tints, as we've showcased on this channel, can really enhance your view of the world and improve your experience of everyday life. So Milan, it's been fun, but I've got to go. I'm sure you'll be fine without me. To everyone watching at home, I hope you've really enjoyed this video. I put my heart and soul into it. I hope you've had a great time experiencing all of this with me, not just Milan and also Switzerland, but also the beautiful eyewear that I've exhibited for you. And that's what we do on this channel. So if that's for you, make sure to subscribe and you'll see all the latest, most beautiful frames, the best lens technologies, everything that the world of eyewear has to offer. If you enjoyed this particular one, give us a like, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye-bye. What makes a great pair of glasses?
So, in my opinion, what makes a great pair of glasses? Here's the thing. My company, Booth & Bruce, we do not like to put people into boxes. That's the first point. And what makes a great pair of glasses is very, very individual to the person. It can be the material it's made out of, it can be the colour, it can be the shape, it can be the feel. Whatever it is, it's about how it makes the wearer feel. And if it makes them feel fabulous, that's my job done.
That's absolutely perfect. I was waiting for someone to kind of answer. There we go. Because that's what I would say, but I can't say it for you.
No, all about the feelings.